Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents, it's me, Winston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? It's me, Winston, yes honey, it's now live. Hey you guys, welcome back to another amazing cook with me. Today we are going to be making buffalo wings, guys. You know I love my buffalo wings. You know I love wings, guys. So that is what we're making today. So before we get into this amazing video, we're going to wash our hands. Yes! Alright, so we are washing our hands now, guys. We are washing our hands. So we're going to turn our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, guys. And now we're going to clean our chicken and also chop them up. However, I like the fin of the chicken wings on the chicken, so I'm leaving the wings on. The fin, some adobo seasoning, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and some chicken bouillon. And we're going to need a little bit of baking powder and some olive oil, guys. You're going to spray your pan or aluminum pan or skillet with some non-stick pan. Apply your chicken wings into the pan, as many as you can put in there. Doesn't matter what side you put it on, that is fine, however you put them. However, I'm using 2 skillet pans for the chicken wings, so that's what I'm using right now for the chicken wings to put in our oven. Also make sure that your oven is on 400 degrees. At this time, guys, we are now going to cut 2 or 3 sticks of butter. You can also use margarine if you like. Whatever butter that you use is fine. All right, for our sauce, we are making our buffalo sauce. You're also going to need a nice saucepan. So you're also going to need 2 or 3 drops of mustard, yellow mustard. Yes, mustard, guys. All right, and we're going to let the butter melt in our saucepan, so make sure that your fire is on a low, medium heat. All right, so 2 or 3 drops of your mustard is fine. All right, and I am using the Red Devil's hot sauce. So that is the one that you can use, or whichever hot sauce you use is fine. So about 6 or 7 drops of the hot sauce, but also make sure that you alternate the taste with the mustard and the honey, guys. Yes, the honey is the secret ingredient to your sauce. All right, guys. And after you have add everything in there, make sure you mix well. All right, you guys, so we're back. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna put our fries in the air fryer. So sugar. We're gonna spray this pan here. All right. And we're gonna open up our fries. Okay. then we're going to put a little bit of adobo seasoning on there. Okay, just a little bit of garlic. And then we'll drizzle just a little bit of olive oil. All right. And then we will set this in the air fryer. All right, one moment, guys. Okay. All right, now it's time to take out our chicken out of the oven. See how beautiful our chicken is looking, guys? That's the brown that you need for your chicken. See how beautiful it looks? Okay. So we're going to put it in this bowl right here. We're going to get a thong. All right. And what we're going to do is try not to break down into pieces, okay? Put them in this bowl here. All right. One moment. Okay. All right. So once we got all of them in there, now see this little juice and everything here. See how that looks? Now, what we're going to do is take our sauce that we made. Make sure we mix it up really nice. All right. And we're going to drizzle that on our chicken. Okay? And what we're going to do, we're just going to try to turn it. Just turn them in the sauce. That's all we're doing. Just turning them in the sauce. All right. We're just turning them in the sauce. Okay. So we're gonna crank our oven up to broil. All right. Okay, so we're gonna drain this oil and put our chicken back in this pot. Make sure that it gets all the sauce on there and everything. So we're only gonna leave our chicken in there for about 10 minutes so that it can stick. All right, guys. So that it can stick to the chicken. See? All right. Okay. Alright, so you just want to make sure that it goes sticks to the chicken. Pour a little bit over. Alright. Just pour a little bit sauce can stick. All right, and leave it in there for about 10 minutes. All right, guys. As you guys can see, our fries is done right here. So, what we're going to do now, we're going to plate. All right. Okay. And now we're going to plate our chicken. All right. See how nice and brown that looks? And has that nice glaze on it. All right, guys. See how that looks? We're going to take some of the sauce and we're going to put it on top of the chicken. All right. Just a little bit of it. All right, guys. So there we have it. Homemade buffalo chicken wings. Homemade buffalo wings, guys. See? Hope you guys enjoy it. Homemade buffalo chicken wings, guys. Yes. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn on that notification bell so you are notified each time I upload, each time I go live. Guys, remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see. Love you guys. What's up, Twitter family? What's up, YouTube family? What's up?